We start with a viral video that's changing the investigation into massive Medicaid fraud in Minnesota. Jonah Kaplan of CBS News Minnesota explains the latest allegations.
From Homeland Security Investigations.
The Department of Homeland Security posted these videos of agents visiting more than 30 sites around the Twin Cities, appearing to ask businesses about nearby child care or health care facilities, investigating what Secretary Kristi Noem called rampant fraud. The targets seem to come from this now viral video posted this weekend by YouTuber and MAGA supporter Nick Shirley, alleging 10 child care and more than 20 health centers in Minnesota are scam businesses fraudulently receiving millions in federal funds.
So this is Quality Learning Center. I meant to say Quality Learning Center.
The video has been amplified by the White House and Elon Musk, but state officials push back on some of the claims. On Monday, the State Department that oversees child care centers said each facility shown had children at them during unannounced site visits in the past 6 months.
While we have questions about some of the methods that were used in the video, we do take the concerns that the video raises about fraud very seriously.
CBS News also reviewed the daycares mentioned in the video. All but 2 have active licenses, and some were inspected as recently as 3 weeks ago. Many centers, like this one in South Minneapolis, were cited and fined for safety violations, but investigators found no evidence of fraud. Separate from the child care center investigation, more than 90 people have been charged over the past 3 years in an alleged scheme to defraud state programs intended to feed low-income kids, house the disabled, and provide services to autistic children. Federal prosecutors warn the total amount of fraud could reach $9 billion. Though state officials, including Minnesota Governor Tim Walz, challenged that estimate. Earlier this month, CBS News revealed exclusive details about the expensive trips, luxury vehicles, and high-class real estate that a group of convicted fraudsters bought with millions of taxpayer money. Governor Tim Walz here in Minnesota has defended his administration's handling of the fraud scandal. Federal prosecutors have identified 14 programs, Medicaid-supported programs, that are considered high risk for fraud, and new licenses have been frozen here in the state. Child care, though, is not one of those 14 programs. In the new year, we expect fresh indictments in the widening fraud probe. Jonah Kaplan, CBS News, Minneapolis.